Okay, so today, this afternoon here, we're gonna take a closer look at the radial drill. I had a viewer ask me if they could, if I was gonna show more of the radial drill, and honestly, it kind of lined up for today because we'll touch on what I'm doing here. But basically, as you can see, hopefully, this is also my first shot at not holding a phone and trying to jabber and make sense and show something. So I've got a squeezy clamp holding my phone, and a vice grip is holding the squeezy clamp and the phone to my Milwaukee light stand. So 6x4 rectangle tubing, drilling a 5/8 hole in the top. You can see I got a big old fat prick punch mark in there. So we'll set this aside. But we'll just try and run through this real quick and not make any huge errors in grammar and make it make sense. Bang that. Rubber hammer. I got the quick disconnect deployed in the spindle, which is just killer for the radial drill. Now loosen up the swing, loosen up the travel. Come down here, find that big prick punch mark. This is not super duper precision work, but it's quality radial drill work. So put it in high gear, and we're going to go 4,000ths an inch per revolution feed to the center drill. We're going to do this in 2 steps. We're going to center drill a hole so the 5/8 drill follows it. And that's it. We'll shut that off. Disconnect that. Here's the 5/8 drill out of the handy dandy drill index, the monster drill index that I showed. Hopefully you guys saw it, liked it. Low gear. Don't ask me what spindle speed that is because I just kind of eyeballed it. But I'm happy with it. It's cutting good, and this machine's nice and quiet. It's just, it's okay. My parents, my dad was here earlier. He's 92 years old. He's like, holy cow, you're always doing this stuff. And my kids think the same way. It's okay. They all think I'm weird. Well, we're going to go to 8 right there. Yeah. Once again, jabbering and trying to make sense and not make any mistakes. So, nice quiet little machine. No muss, no fuss. It just drives right down through there. Piece of cake. Go a little more. There it is. Okay, so shut that off. Just take that out real quick. Loosen that up. And grab this. Grab my high quality production here, and so there's that, and there's one more there. Yeah, I got one more to go. But so this is putting lift blocks underneath this. This is a horizontal press welder. It's an Axi-line machine. I build drive shafts for a living, amongst other things, and always have. And this is replacing a machine, another press arrangement that I made out of a lathe like 30-something years ago, and I'm switching to this one for a lot of reasons, but this spindle height doesn't suit me. It's 36 inches from here to the floor, and I'm used to having it like 42 inches, so I'm putting a 6-inch lift kit underneath there, so there's going to be one of those blocks underneath each foot, and I'm going to weld a piece 1.25 square to a solid round, actually, in between, because I got a mountain of solid round. Let's see. Yeah, there's the bench with one of my benches for assembly of axles. There's my daily driver Monarch, 16-inch swing, 36-inch between centers. There's the lathe and the horizontal boring mill that kind of started me down the video path. Oh yeah, there's a VTL, my 28-inch swing Bullard VTL, hiding under a blanket. I keep a blanket on all this stuff. There's a big Monarch right here. This is my big 38-inch swing. And it's a 10-foot stick between centers. It's covered up. Runs, drives good. Nice machine. There's a 42-inch swing Niles. Everything in this side of the shop right now is kind of chaotic. Brake lathe. There's like about 4 brake lathes put together on a skate. So, yeah. hope you guys enjoy this, and we'll move forward from here.